On this day, we remember our freedom fighter. This day teaches value of freedom. I am telling some alphabetic freedom fighters leaders name. A for Ambedkar, B for Bhagat Singh, C for Chandrasekhar, D for Dayananda Saraswati, E for Iswara Chandrasekhar Vidyasagar, F for Prosa Mehta, G for Gopala Krishnan Gokhale, H for Hedgewar, I for Indira Gandhi, J for Jawaharlal Nehru, K for Kasturba Gandhi, L for Lala Lajpati Rai, M for Mahatma Gandhi, N for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, O for Onake Obawa, P for Pandit Madana Mohan Malaya, Q for Queen Lakshmi Bai, R for Rabindranath Tagore, S for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, T for Tanja Topi, U for Udham Singh, V for Vivekananda, W for Water Velu Nachiyar, X for Xavier B. Vasudev Padke, Y for Yusuf Meher Ali, Z for Zinath Mahal. I am telling some national symbol of India, national flag Tiranga, national emblem Satyamave Jayate, national fruit mango, national vegetable pumpkin, national tree banyan tree, national currency Indian rupee, national calendar Saga calendar, national heritage animal elephant, national aquatic animal dolphin, national